I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler. Today, I am a plantain seller. Roasted plantain to be specific. That plantain you like, no, me, I am selling it. Welcome to ACCRA WE DEY on MX24 television. And today, we'll be speaking to a plantain seller. Roasted plantain with nkatiye. We are finding out how business is like. And I'm right here. Today, I'll be playing the role of a plantain seller. So, you know, just come and buy. Come and patronize me so I can make money. Madam, Pastor, to say?
Yeah.
Hey, what business no? Ne who to say?
The business and the whole year, Yamiadum.
Oh.
And who ye? And so, is it Uncle Name my do? What I don't go do a hair, I know a trim. Because of scanning gun I had. Scanning what? Mitimijina, we say, yeah, then make my black. Minyashe so manya mini di ntia ka class na mi gina won sa nti abrabon de sa say de Ghana aye hard so be ndey oh
Vitanopa, what else senses here?
Vitanopa dey amaton ko nu 50 cedis na mi di gina ai enye easy
o de
enu mu na no do chair school fees nje say e cry hu na e be ye ho ti ko ba bia ye de nti mi se metena fie mbebua mi se mabodu kwa me bua me maame nti ese ga na ye de obi asoro ma na ema so nti aba na ma na ema so kra ni po de sani ma na ema so enya ben no fort ye ankasa ye fort je sre na mo tobi na ma me fa me ko school ai na ma se
Pacho in a day no ahina we make in a day
a day me ne me ma no de bia if ya na panko say me 1 million and
1 million ye 100 cities.
As a mint on the Ukrainian and the cities, and so obey because I didn't have to young who's kind of in so Yamiadum, Debbie and Bejana, Kaka, so the funniest are
Minion Kito Square, no matter 10 cities, 10 cities, 100 cities, I never check. Yes, I'm a de Mimbuano, yes, I'm just good in a sea. Yes, I'm Mimbuano, and yes, Mamma, my name must be a pamachop, one trust on a Bianco in my. Quack 3 cities, Quack is Lego at 3 cities.
Grafia broche neba ya de dollars na kra koko adan ene ma ya style bi basa wo dwen kra won ti ase oh enye kra
It looks like everyone is saying the same thing, singing the same language. The system, no, it is hard. Everybody is complaining. Everybody is complaining about the system. Madam, that ben na wo sha se barrier no.
Etoton wa ha. Oh, me sha say ache almost 20 years ni. E wa ha.
20 years.
E wa American so.
Wow.
Wa sa.
Then tina wo to barrier.
No na adwuma me ye. Am de hwa me ma.
But you know, where do you take it from? Where do you get it from?
Medina. Okay. Medina.
How much does it take to
1.5.
1.5. So the plantain, when you don't sell all, does it spoil?
Pro share. Etimi pro marketing en yetimi sell na me dia makele welebura.
So what are some of the challenges that you face in your business?
Marketing en enye. Ena me face how. Bo ana me de ka na ma face kakra sa.
So I'm going to try and see if I can successfully roast one plantain. So I have one here, and then so I should cut like this. That bit. Are you still with your husband?
My husband is dead.
So how has the struggle been for you?
Single parents.
How has the struggle been for you?
And yet it's not easy for me. I'll try.
What are the challenges that you've gone through?
Challenging in there. Down rent. Johnny dear money. It's not easy.
Kwada 5 in amko school to be able to 10 cedis. Na ba kokwa SS wi a. Kese mbo ano ntimi fa nkwan ni. Enu ma na egusi kakra. Ebe wetin ma nsuo to a ukofi. Ntimi nkwa boyfriend wa se ma mesika, wo ma me na de be fight am o. Nti na esre se ombo abanye bibi mfa so. Na emu ma yede. Kokwa 3 cedis. Enu ma bo yede. Esre ebi na wa ashini o.
Yeah. Oh my God, the place is so hot. How do you deal with the heat?
Heat there, me fight heat, because me ni obi anti fighting na me fighting my end. Heat ni there me ni chini yapo. Me ni scam go to chinye na say.
Where from
This one, because of I will sell it. Okay. Me 20 na machine, we sha, good. Aye.
Oh my God, it's looking succulent. Go see for a crowd with him. Bye bye.